Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Department Humanity and Science, course Basic Mathematics, course code 22103. Again, myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture is totally depend on our very important chapter matrices, chapter number 3, unit 1. Last lecture we continue about the transpose of the matrices. That is, we have to given any matrix, we have to interchange rows into column. For example, 1 2 is the first row, 2 1 is the second row. So we have to convert first row into first column. That is 1 2 is the first column and 2 1 is the second column. That is A transpose is given by. Today's lecture totally depend on the properties of transposition. Properties of transposition, most probably first one is a plus b raised to t is equal to a raised to t plus b raised to t. That means addition of two matrix, their transpose gives the first matrix transpose plus second matrix transpose is same. Let us check this property using the example. If A is equal to 2 minus 1 3 4, the order of such matrix is 2 by 2. B is equal to 1 0 3 minus 1. Order of these matrix is 2 by 2. Then prove that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Now solution. A transpose equal to 2 3 minus 1 4 and B transpose is equal to 1 3 0 minus 1. Now we have to check that is what is the A transpose plus B transpose. How we derive? Yes, our A matrix is 2 minus 1. So row is 2 minus 1 goes to column. Second row is 3 4. So it converted into column number 2 3 4. B transpose again 1 0 is first row. So we write is as a 1 0 as a column 1. 3 minus 1 is the second row. We converted into column 3 minus 1. Now we have to take the A transpose plus B transpose, which is right hand side. So I take the A transpose plus B transpose equal to 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. So we derive A transpose plus B transpose by taking addition of A transpose plus B transpose, that is 3 6 minus 1 3. Now we have to take now A plus B transpose. For this purpose, first we have to take the addition of given two matrix, that is A plus B. So 2 plus 1 3 minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 3 plus 3 6 4 minus 1 3. Now we have to take transpose of these matrix now. 3 minus 1 is first row, write as a column 1 3 minus 1. 6 3 second row, write as a column number 2 6 3. We observe that A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose equal to, we derive the both side answer is 3 6 minus 1 3. That is, we required the same matrix have order 2 by 2. So we prove that A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. In this example, we have to first take the transpose of each matrix using row converted into column. Now second step, we have to take addition of the both matrix, then we have to take the transpose and we derive the final answer. Now again the same pattern example we have to consider and same property. A plus B raised to t, 3 1 5 2 4 13. A is 2 3 1, 1 minus 2 7. B is 1 2 3 0 4 6. Now what is the addition of the transpose of these elements? Let us check. A transpose is what? 2 3 1 first row. So we can write 2 3 1 first row. that is converted into column. 1 minus 2 7 is row number 2 converted 1 minus 2 7 column number 2. Now B is equal to 1 2 3 0 4 6. So we can have to convert this row into column, that is 1 2 3 column number 1 and 0 4 6 column number 2. Now we have to take the addition of A transpose plus B transpose. 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 0 1, 3 plus 2 5, minus 2 plus 4 2, 1 plus 3 4, 7 plus 6 13. So we derive the answer in a form of, we have given that A plus B transpose is what? 3 1 5 2 4 13, and we derive the A transpose plus B transpose, same answer, 3 1 5 2 4 13. That is, we have to prove that A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Be clear, here order of these matrix is 2 by 3. Order of these matrix is 2 by 3. In transpose, the order of A transpose is now become 3 into 2 and order of B transpose is become 3 into 2. So we have to take the addition using our addition of matrices. Now properties of transposition. Next property, A into B raised to T is equal to B raised to T into A raised to T. So we have to consider A into B is equal to. So AB given by 2 minus 1 3 4 1 0 3 minus 1. We know that the multiplication is not directly we have to take. We have to take row into column. So 2 into 1 2, minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So now first row second column, 2 into 0 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. We finish the first row. Now the second row first column, 3 into 1 3, 4 into 3 12. Now second row second column, 3 into 0 0, 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So 2 into 2 minus 3 minus 1, 0 plus 1 1, 3 plus 12 15, 0 minus 4 minus 4. So we derive the matrix in order minus 1 1 15 minus 4. Now we have to take the AB transpose now. So our AB is in a form of minus 1 1 15 minus 4. So first row is minus 1 1 converted into column minus 1 1. Row 2 15 minus 4 convert into 15 minus 4 column number 2. So it is our AB transpose. Now we have to take the B transpose into A transpose. What is the, here be careful, B transpose is first and then we have to take the A transpose. B transpose is derived by 1 0, we have to write in a column, 3 minus 1 we have to write 3 minus 1. Next is A transpose. It is the A matrix. 2 minus 1 is first row. It is converted into first column 2 minus 1. 3 4 is the second row. It converted into column number 2 3 4. Now our matrix multiplication row with column. First row first column. 1 into 2 2. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Now first row second column. 1 into 3 3. 3 into 4 plus 12. Now second row first column, 0 into 2 0, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Now second row last column, 0 into 3 0, minus 1 into 4 minus 4. So 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 plus 12 15, 0 plus 1 1, 0 minus 4 minus 4. So we derive the final answer AB transpose equal to minus 1 15 1 minus 4 and B transpose into A transpose, same answer, minus 1 15 1 minus 4. So we prove that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose is minus 1 15 1 minus 4. Be clear about that thing as a, always remind that the multiplication is row with column and taking the transpose of the product, then we have to take first B transpose and then A transpose. By changing rows into column, we derive the final answer in a form of AB raised to T is equal to B transpose into A transpose is minus 1 15, 1 minus 4. Now properties of the transposition totally depend on the 3 by 3 order matrices also. Let us check the, we have to verify if A is 1 2 minus 1 3 0 2 4 5 0, B is equal to 1 0 0 2 1 0 0 1 3. Verify that A B whole transpose is B transpose into A transpose. First we have to find A transpose and B transpose. A transpose first row 1 2 minus 1 1 2 minus 1 first column. Second row 3 0 2 column number 2 3 0 2. 4 5 0 row number 3 that is converted into column number 3 4 5 0. Now B transpose is 1 0 0 converted into column 1 0 0. 2 1 0 row converted into column 2 1 0. Third row 0 1 3 converted into column number 3 0 1 3. Now we have to take AB transpose row with column multiplication. For this AB is what? 1 into first row first column 1 into 1 1 2 into 2 4 minus 1 into 0 0. Now first row second column 1 into 0 0 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. First row last column 1 into 0 0 2 into 0 0 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Now second row first column 3 into 1 3 0 into 2 0 2 into 0 0. 3 second row second column 3 into 0 0 3 into 0 into 1 0 and 2 into 1 2. Second row last column 3 into 0 0 0 into 0 2 into 3 6. Now last row last first column 4 into 1 4 5 into 2 10 and 0 into 0 0. Last row second column 4 into 0 0 5 into 1 5 0 into 1 0. Last row last column 4 into 0 0 5 into 0 0 0 into 3 0. We derive 5 1 minus 3 3 2 6 14 5 0. Transpose converted row into column 5 1 minus 3 second row 3 2 6 3 2 6 14 5 0 14 5 0. Now we have to take B transpose into A transpose. First row first column 1 into 1 1 2 into 2 4 0 into minus 1 0. First row second column 1 into 3 3 2 into 0 0 0 into 2 0. First row last column 1 into 4 4 2 into 5 10 0 into anything 0. Second row first column 0 into 1 0 1 into 2 2 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Second row second column 3 into 0 0 1 into 0 0 1 into 2 2. Second row last column 0 into 4 0 1 into 5 0. It is not, it is second row last column, so we have to take the formation of last row 0 last row first column 0 into 1 0 0 into 2 0 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Last row second column 0 into 3 0 0 into 3 0 0 3 into 2 6. Last row last column 0 into 4 0 0 into 5 0 and 3 into 0 0. Now we derive the 5 3 14 1 2 5 minus 3 6 0. So transpose of this row 1 converted into column 5 1 minus 3 1 2 5, that is we have to convert it into row, so minus 3 6 0. So we derive the final answer, that is AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose by converting these. So using this we have to take the properties of transposition very clear about the, we have to take A transpose, B transpose, then AB transpose, then we have to take the final format is what 5 3 14 1 2 5 minus 3 6 0. We take the transpose of each and every element. We take B transpose into A transpose row column multiplication, and finally we derive the final answer. So today's lecture we have to complete about properties of transposition.